Hey everyone, and thanks for being here. This video is going to be a mashup of some desk upgrades, some tech unboxing, and a bit of gaming. The impetus for the latest changes to my desk setup was building my gaming PC, which I have set up to the left of my desk, and I used to have my vertical second monitor there, but it was kind of blocking my line of sight to the PC, so I decided to flip the orientation so that the vertical monitor is on the right side now. Moving the monitor arm and adding the PC, which has some extra wires, meant that I had to redo my cable management, but honestly, it needed to be tidied up anyway, so it all worked out. Underneath my desk, I have a large power strip that sits in this cable cage, and I use little sticky cable clips under my desk to manage wires. After doing this first bit of cable management for moving the monitor arm, I also decided to get this white cable cover, which is why the footage here looks a little different. But this was an important piece of tidying up my cable management with the addition of the PC. I just upgraded my phone this week to the iPhone 16 Plus. I was considering getting the Samsung Galaxy S25 because I really like the look of it, but I fear I am so attached to the Apple ecosystem that I would regret it. I went with the teal color, which I think is really pretty. I was kind of stuck between this and the cornflower blue because I really liked that color as well, but the teal, if you notice in my desk setup, is one of my favorite colors. The other recent setup upgrade that I made was a new gaming chair. Dowinx reached out to me and kindly sent me this chair. This model is in a cool green color, and as you can see from my pants here, this was not on purpose, but this is one of my favorite colors, and the chair is from their heated massage series. I have a really bad habit of sitting with my feet up on the edge of my desk chair or like tucked underneath me, which is horrible for my knees and my back. So the retractable footrest that this chair has is the reason why I chose it. It's a nice feature if you are like me and you sit in insane positions. The chair also reclines really far back, and the back cushion has a built-in massaging heating pad, which is pretty nice if you are somebody like me that sits at your chair all day and then sometimes all night too. If you're in the market for a new chair, Dowinx is giving my viewers 10% off if you use the code TheElectricClimate with no spaces. I'll put the link and the info in the description below. I've been wanting to add some more lighting to my setup on the shelf that I installed in my last round of updates. So I got another Govee strip light, which is what I have underneath my desk. I tried to hide the cable as best as I could by taping it around the side of this mirror with some double-sided 3M tape, and I think it worked pretty well. It's half obscured by my vertical monitor anyway, so it's not really noticeable. If you watched my last video, you know that I'm a bit obsessed with Baldur's Gate at the moment, so I'm going to spend the rest of my evening doing that. Leave me a comment and let me know what you're playing on Steam right now. This is the only game that I have been playing since I built my PC, but I do have some on my list to play, and I'd love to hear what you guys are loving right now.